Welcome to How to Play the Dice Game Toto. To play, you will need a dice, 2 or more players, and pen and paper to keep score. The object of the game is to score the most points over 10 turns. Points are scored by making the amount rolled multiplied by a number of your choosing on the scorecard. For example, a player that rolled a 6 can multiply it by 10 for 60 points in their 10 box. Each box on the scorecard can only be used once during the game. The game begins with a player rolling the dice. Wade rolls a 2 and decides to score in the 3 box. 2 multiplied by 3 gives Wade 6 points. Play moves to Diana, who rolls a 5. Diana decides to score the 8 box for 40 points. Play moves to Peter, and players will continue to take turns rolling and scoring points. The player with the most points after 10 rounds wins the game. Wade wins this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play Toto and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.